have to say that I started my healing process through my writing, sharing my story through my writing was a way of me letting it go. And I think what I realized is that also it can inspire healing in others when they hear their stories put into words and they realize they're not alone. So one of the reasons why I continue to do what I do is in hopes that I can touch someone in a profound way, the way that I've been touched and the way that I've been inspired. So I hope, humbly, I hope that somebody here has been inspired and that somebody here has seen themselves or identified with. The subway is all over my poetry because I write a lot of poetry. It's so alive. And so teaming is the hustle and the bustle above and underground. As from the boogie down, I make my way downtown. Upon my descent to the D train, I pass